I've got a vintage Singer Featherweight model 221K. Serial number is EV926555. The machine's been serviced. It's in very good condition. Light works, passes the tap test, no flickering. Pedal's been electrically cleaned, so there's smooth speed control. And I've got 4 layers of denim here. Basically just going to show you how well it stitches. And there you can see it's got equal stitch. And then just a little loop where I started, and just to show you how delicate it is, a paper towel. Well, you can't see the back thread, but there you go.